Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my juicy fried pork chops. So let's cook. So here I have an assorted family pack of pork chops, and this is 8 pork chops. So I'm going to start by putting some seasoning on my pork chops. So I'm going to start out with 4 pork chops, and what you want to do is sprinkle some garlic on, some seasoning salt, and some onion powder. And what I like to do is I like to push my seasoning into my pork chops like this. Just to make sure that seasoning is sticking to my pork chop. Now I'm just going to flip these over. And I'm going to repeat the same process. Now that I'm finished doing this, I'm just going to continue to do the rest of my pork chops, and I'll check back in with you guys to let you see what comes next. So next you want to start your dredging station. And you want to make sure that you've washed your hands. So here I have 4 eggs, and I have a 1/4 cup of milk. To this I'm just going to add some salt and some pepper. And I'm going to mix that up. Now that that's done, you want to go ahead and season your flour. And I'm going to add some seasoned salt, with some onion powder, some garlic, and I'm just going to mix that up as well. And I'm just going to taste my flour just to make sure I have enough seasoning. Now you're just going to start to dredge your pork chops and your egg, and you want to let that egg drip off, because the more egg you have on your pork chop, the thicker your batter is going to be. And now you're just going to dredge that into your flour. You want to really press that into that pork chop. Gonna give it a nice shake. And I'm just gonna place this all to the side on my rack. Okay, so here are all my pork chops all breaded up. So I'm just gonna take this over to the stove so we can fry these pork chops up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my pork chop in. So you're going to just cook these up until they're a nice golden brown on both sides. Okay, so these have been cooking for a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take these out. You see they have that nice color on them. and they're cooked throughout. So I'm gonna pour these off, and I'm gonna put these off to a rack on the side. Okay guys, so here are my pork chops all cooked up. And you can see that crust on there. It's got that nice color, and they're super juicy inside. I went ahead and cut a piece so you guys can see what the inside look like. You can see it's totally cooked throughout. And they just taste so good. They have a nice flavor, and that crisp and that crust on there, guys. It is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.